102 points increase for our client Dave Scott. Awesome job here at the Pinnacle Credit Dispute team. And then if you look at here, 145 points. That's, you know, enough said. That's what we do. Now, the video I posted before this, it discussed about how when we dispute negative accounts, the score may go down. Well, this is a precise example how that could happen. FICO score was recalculated accurately after we disputed the several negative items down here, and then it is still lagging with Equifax, okay? That's because FICO has 16 known algorithms. They don't always update at the same time. However, as you can see here, we've been working on this file for about maybe a month, maybe a little bit more, maybe a little less. 102 point increase, 145 point increase. But you can see which is the real accurate reporting. As you can see, what has been deleted and what still remains. So if we just go down, the trade line was added, okay? We have the best trade lines. If you add our primary trade lines, these are not authorized users, it will increase your score. So as you can see, these are the deleted.
Yeah, basically.
Okay. So there it is, 145 point increase for our client Dave Scott. If you need credit repair, shoot us a text 858-252-6053 or visit us on the web, www.pinnaclecreditrepair.com.